This home right here takes less than 1 hour to build. Let me explain how this works. Paulo Tremonti and his Boxable team are here to revolutionize the way we build homes. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada, Boxable can build and assemble an entire home in a matter of hours. And today, we're going to find out how.
Because we're in a factory and we're not out in a field like everybody else with bits of wood and hammers and nails, we can use very, very large equipment, and we don't have to use traditional processes. CNC cutting means it's just a computer cutting panels. Yes, I think if you think of two analogies, that the Boxable, when it comes together, is a big jigsaw puzzle with everything cut by a machine, so everything is perfect. And then the Boxables themselves, the way they go together is a Legos. So we'll make these empty building boxes in about 3 sizes, and then we configure them. Configuration just means what do we put inside.
Cut.
So it's incredibly modular, and that allows us to do extraordinarily high volume production and lower the cost and raise the quality. So if you see behind us, this is actually where the process starts, where we actually assemble the panels. So we are steel, concrete, and insulation material compressed together with about 250,000 pounds of pressure. Exactly, and this has a 0 fire rating. And the way we construct these things, we can see that the hinge beam that we saw earlier on is now actually buried into the infrastructure of the ceiling panel. And because the machine is cutting the roof, you can see all the holes are cut and things like that for the lights.
Amazing. Tell me your current timeline process, how quick you guys can produce one of these homes, and where you guys want to see Boxable in terms of the future growth.
It has been engineered from the ground floor to be made in a factory with production. Having said that, we've been in the factory only 5 weeks, and I think that it took maybe 3 weeks to make the first one. It's now taking probably, we're making 2 houses a week now. We're going to 6 houses a week next week. And when we're in full production, we will be able to put out a house every 90 minutes from this facility. And I think once we're fully dialed in with Factory 2, I'm thinking around 15 minutes, a quarter of an hour, to build a complete home. Absolutely staggering.
That's fascinating. In 15 minutes, they can produce a home that is overkill for any kind of environment, super efficient, foldable, and can be transported to anywhere, pretty much around the world if you want to.